Hello, I know I've done basket cornrow for C hair. Today I wanted to show you how you can make them colorful. Um, I used gold color and black. As you can see, um, I used one color on one braid. I don't know if that makes sense. So on the previous braid, I used the gold color um, hair, and as you can see on this one, I'm using black and pull gold, and then later um, some of black color, and then on the next braid, I will be pulling the black and leave the gold color out. Yeah, so it's very simple. If you saw my previous video, and if you already have an idea of how to go about it, it's very easy. On this braid, I'm going to gold color. So as you can see, I started with gold here, leave some out and pull the black. I braid with gold, leave one side out, pull one black color on the other side, and I just keep going on and on. If you have any question, as I usually said, please comment under the link below, and I can do another video. Um, but if you like what I did, or if you think there is anything I can do better, please let me know. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy your day. Bye.